And so we need to customize existing standards and best practices to the different national circumstances. As I said, it's different in Europe as it is in Asia or Africa. We need to invest in sand production and consumption measurement because we don't really know. We don't have a monitoring in place, but that's what's needed. And United Nations Environment Program will create a new extractive hub in Paris, economic division. So we really have to put forward a hub that can also measure not only sand but all kinds of extractives. And we have to establish dialogue between the different players and stakeholders, which we have initiated with this expert roundtable. But that discussion, that report is an invitation to continue this discussion. One very first success of this report, it's launched today, but it's been circulated amongst the member states where they gather at the United Nations Environmental Assembly in March 2019, so just 2 months away. And the first draft was circulated, and it was then recognized as an issue by the Ministry of the Environment of all the countries. And they actually ask us now to have a mandate to monitor this and to provide good guidance on the sustainability of sand extraction. So takeaway message is that demand for sand resource will continue to increase because of population increase, urbanizations, and because we need more infrastructures. So placing more pressure on this resource. So to do it responsibly, we need to counterbalance that by improved governance. We need solution exists, so that's a very good news. It can be done well if we're doing it according to the best practices and standards. And if we do it well, we can prevent or reduce damages to rivers, beach and marine ecosystems, as well as social risk to workers and communities. In the terrestrial environment, we can do it extremely well. We can avoid consumption by reducing overbuilding and overdesign, things that we don't necessarily get done for speculation. We should avoid that at all costs. And we can use recycled and alternative materials from sand, and then the impact can be reduced through existing standard and best practices. So I think there's hope in this report, and lots of challenge ahead, of course, because we are using very, very large amount of sand. It has to be recognized, and I hope that the government will take that new challenge on board. Thank you very much. Yes, we have a small movie that will show as well some images from Cambodia, with the sand issues being very big. A lot of sand was taken from Cambodia and exported to Singapore. And here that movie from the National Geographic, we'll just put a small extract and as a teaser for you. You can look at that later on. But just 5 minutes. I think it gives a good insight of this issue in that specific focus in Cambodia.